In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a proposal on Freshbooks. Whether you're a freelancer or a business owner offering services, creating a detailed and professional proposal can be a game changer when communicating with your clients. Let's get started on this step-by-step journey to making your next proposal. First, begin by heading over to the Estimates section from the main menu of Freshbooks. This is where the magic starts for crafting your proposal. Once you're in there, look for the Create New Proposal button. Clicking this will present you with several options. For our purposes today, go ahead and select Proposal. Now that you've initiated a new proposal, it's time to fill in the necessary details. Start with the client information. You have the flexibility to choose an existing client if they're already in your database, or if this is a new client, you can add their details right here. This sets the foundation for personalization, ensuring your proposal feels tailor-made. Next up, let's talk about pricing. This is a crucial element of your proposal, and FreshBooks makes it easy. Add line items for your goods or services. Be sure to include clear descriptions, rates, and if applicable, sales tax. This clarity helps your client understand exactly what they're getting and at what cost. As you move forward, consider adding structured content using the Add a Section link. FreshBooks allows for rich text formatting and even image insertions in sections like Overview, Scope of Work, or Timeline. These sections enhance the comprehension of your proposal and provide a polished, organized look to your document. In the Notes and Terms section, add any specific notes that pertain to this particular proposal, and don't forget to include your standard terms and conditions. This is where you can outline any additional details that might be relevant to the agreement. If there are supporting documents your client needs to review, such as images, PDFs, or spreadsheets, the Attachments feature will come in handy. Upload these files directly to accompany your proposal. With the bulk of the proposal filled out, let's move on to configuring some important settings. Consider enabling the e-signature requirement if you need your client to electronically sign the proposal before accepting it. Just keep in mind, once a proposal is e-signed by the client, no further edits are possible unless you duplicate the proposal. Another aspect to enhance professionalism is to customize the style. You can adjust the template, upload your logo, and choose colors and fonts that align with your brand, giving your proposals that extra personal touch. Finally, decide if you're ready to send or whether you want to save your progress. You can hit the Save button to keep the proposal as a draft, useful if you need more time to perfect it. Otherwise, select the Send To option, often symbolized by a paper plane icon, to email the proposal directly to your client. Take advantage of this step to personalize the email message before sending, and there you have it, a complete run-through on how to create a professional and compelling proposal using FreshBooks.